Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove liked photos on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to your Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now go to your activity section in how you use Instagram section. Now go to likes. Here, select on the top content types and just click on or apply to the reels or posts. Now tap any post and here you will find the layout of unlike. Tap on unlike and tap on unlike to confirm it. And here it is done. So yeah, this is how you can remove liked photos on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.